is a big achievement.
Yeah, I mean, some really interesting stuff to watch here over the next couple of days, of course, from NASA. But around here, well, we need to watch the weather as well because we've got some big time changes on the way. We've got freeze watches that have been issued this morning over parts of southern Illinois and southeast Missouri. And yeah, we're talking about potentially some freezing temperatures coming up by the middle of the week. So enjoy today. Today's going to be a beautiful afternoon, feeling like spring, temperatures into the upper 60s. Tomorrow, well, Mother Nature reminds us it's still the early part of spring right now, but the second half of April, maybe we're not talking about oftentimes snow, but it is potentially in our forecast for Tuesday afternoon and Tuesday evening primarily. Some rain switching over to a brief burst of snow, but some heavy wet snowflakes may mix in with some raindrops there by Tuesday evening. And then Wednesday morning, that's the morning if you've got flowers planted. I know, especially in some of the pots, if you can bring them in, but even if you've got a garden, you may want to plan some precautions there to protect some of those more sensitive plants as temperatures across parts of the region could drop below freezing. Enjoying a nice sunrise though right now in Perryville. Gorgeous sky there in the eastern sky, and actually hardly a cloud in that sky right now. Temperatures back into the lower 40s in most areas. We've got a few readings. Low-lying areas have dipped back in the upper 30s, so it's pretty chilly out there this morning. Mount Vernon at 37. Marion, you're at 42. Paducah at 45. Murray, Kentucky currently at 43. Cape, one of the cool spots, that airport there at Cape actually sits south of town in Kelso, and that is a low-lying area there, so upper 30s right now, 39 degrees. To our north, some clouds through parts of Chicago, keeping temperatures there right about 50 degrees. To our west, Kansas City at 44, Nashville at 47. Here's the colder air, though, we're talking about this morning. It is into the upper Midwest in the northern plains and dropping to the south, and this is a big blast of cold air for this late in the season. But this is a strong cold front. Not a lot of rain ahead of the front, but behind it, there's some snow showers this morning back into Iowa, South Dakota, Nebraska. We think the snow chances will hold off until later on tomorrow evening. So enjoy the sunshine today. Should be a great day if maybe you need to get caught up on the lawn or get outdoors and enjoy, maybe go for a walk today. Today's going to be the warmest day of the week. Upper 60s for high temperatures. Could see a few readings near 70 degrees this afternoon, but here comes that cold front as we move into this time tomorrow morning. That front stalls out right along the Ohio River, lower 40s across southern Illinois, and then it actually starts to retreat back to the north through the day on Tuesday. Look at this, lunchtime temperatures Tuesday, upper 40s to the north, upper 60s to the south. Eventually, though, this cold front then going to make its way to the east once again, and by Tuesday evening, some rain moves in from the west, and it may mix in with some brief burst of heavy, wet snowflakes, and then it comes to an end very quickly, but temperatures continuing to fall overnight into Wednesday morning, upper 20s and lower 30s. As far as accumulation goes, not expecting impacts on roads, so don't worry about that. But by Tuesday evening, we could see a quick dusting in some of our far north and western counties, Jefferson, Perry County there in southern Illinois, also Perry County, Missouri, a quick dusting on some grassy surfaces. I think it's going to melt away very, very quickly. But let's turn our attention then to the temperatures, and a light freeze possible Wednesday morning in some areas, and even Thursday morning we could see some patchy frost in a few spots. So freeze watch has been issued out across much of southern Illinois and southeast Missouri. These are the areas we most likely are going to see temperatures fall below freezing there Wednesday morning. So an 80% chance, again, this is late in the day on Tuesday, rain changing over to some snow. Temperatures then fall back to about 30 by Wednesday morning. Thursday morning, we could also see some patchy frost. Thankfully, by the end of the week, we start to bounce back up to about 60 on Friday. A chance for some showers back in the forecast to start the weekend. And look at the bounce back here as we move into the early part of next week. Quite a change there as temperatures jump back into the mid to upper 70s.
So we're talking about impacts. I mean, Wednesday morning, do we need to worry about anything?
No, I don't think so. Our main concern really this week as far as impacts and actual potential threats is going to be the freeze and frost. Yes, you're likely going to see some snowflakes flying tomorrow, but the chance of seeing accumulation, ground temperatures are so warm, is very low.
All right, good stuff.